Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another traveller's notebook that I've completed. This one is using a digital kit from ARTYmaze, and it has gone right out my head, the name of it. Is it Sweet Rose? Oh damn, I can't remember, but I will link it below. So it's a cardstock cover. It's like I said, it's a traveller's notebook. It can be used on its own. It can be inserted into a Midori or a Fedori. It's just got some organza as a closure, which can stay off or stay on, whichever you prefer. This will be listed for sale on my Etsy. So the image here is from the kit, and I've got a little cheesecloth gauze, whatever it's called, around the edge. There's some stitching here. There is some lace trim there and a sari silk bow. You can see there's little tatty bits here and there. And let's go inside. So I've been adding the pockets to the inside of the traveller's notebooks because they are ideal to obviously tuck things inside for when you're ready to use them throughout your journal. And it's even better if you've got a dashboard that you can put around it and slot it in, then you can stick all sorts of things to that. So this is from the kit. We've just got some flip ups here. We've got butterflies and tickets throughout and flowers. There's a little tag, big tag and bigger tag. Got my big stamp out, which is this one, which I've put in upside down. Hang on a second, I'll show that the right way. I bought this cup last year, I think it was, and I actually only think I used it once or twice. So I fished it out and I used this one here, and it gives a really nice effect. Kind of looks like stenciling, and I just used my distress inks on that, so that looked really pretty, I thought. Doily paper bag. Papers from the kit. It's very summery, this kit. I'm trying to do things summery now. It's been so cold, and I can't believe that we've been predicted snow over Easter. It's like, what's going on? You know, April, and we're going to be having snow and like -4, -5. Oh, don't know what's going on. So all these nice, pretty, flowery, summery themed journals are kind of making me happy, and I'm loving seeing everyone else's as well. So this pocket is from the kit, and I've just got some cheesecloth here, a little flower that I've made. There's a tag, a dictionary page, a little dress form tag from the kit. This isn't from the kit, but I thought it was summery, so I put that in there. Here we've just got some file folder cards. I think it's actually supposed to be a pocket, but I got carried away, and when I was cutting, I was just cutting around everything, so it just became a file folder card. Anyway, tag from the kit. These are the ones that you can use, like you can double them over. There's 4 of them. You double them over and you can put them like in your journal, so that they're little flips, but I didn't do that, as you can see. So another stamp from that big stamp. Love this. Another side tuck here, tag, a pocket with the journaling card inside, which can't get it out, so let me wiggle it around. Okay, it's stuck. So that will teach me. I can't find my bond folder. Where's that gone? Oh, it's hiding under the big pile of mess that you can't see. There we go. Look at that, just a tiny little bit of glue, and I couldn't get that out. It's like struggling, fighting with paper. So that's that. This is an envelope here, and inside the envelope actually is a little index card that I've trimmed down to fit inside, and I just stamped a little butterfly on there, and that would actually be quite good to colour in. There's some watercolours or something on there. A doily, a paper bag, lovely pages, very summery. It's got some more pockets and tags. another dress form there with a little tag, and obviously this flips out as does the other one. Another little file folder doobie flip, and little journaling card, that's actually from Tsunami Rose. Some more stamping and stenciling, and another file folder thingy, and little journaling card, another dress form, some more tags in a pocket from the kit, paper bag. Fingers don't want to work today. Here is another envelope with a little index card inside, but this, oh, and this one came out, I didn't glue it in, ta-da! So this is another little journaling, not a journaling card, a envelope pocket, and this is from the kit, so I just stuck that on the front. And pocket here, tags, another tag, and a index card thingy. I'm sure that's what they're called, with little tabs on the top. File folder card, I can't remember. Address form here. Little tag in there, a little flower there. That's obviously another paper bag. Here is just some tags. We've got the little baby tag, this tag, and that tag. And that's a little corner flip with a butterfly ticket and doily with some cheesecloth. And in the back here we've just got some ephemera and the Tiffany & Co. stamp. And it just pops in there with some lace trim there. So that is that one. So like I said, this is for sale on my Etsy if you're interested, and I'll put links below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.